Hello, everybody. Hope you're doing well. Today, we're gonna resume where we left off, and that is we just want to be able to see other players in the world. So, let's go ahead and see if we can do so. Um, Quickly, I guess. So, the last time we were dealing with sending multiple packets at the same time. So if we open up, where is it? It's this one. Uh, Enter world. I think this is the, yes, this is the first place where we're trying to broadcast some packet. But what I want to do first is that I want to make sure that the packet that I'm sending here is the correct one in order to see other players. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to comment this out. And then I'm gonna say if this is just a quick way of checking if the packet is correct. So I'm gonna say I do have the session, right? Yeah. So if the session is number one, I'm gonna do this. Huh. I think this doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Yes, I don't think so. So what I was thinking was to send the char info packet for a particular session, but that's not gonna that's not gonna work. So I guess I'll have to debug this in another place. So let's go back to this. Can I build? All right. So maybe we got some silly mistakes in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and check in detail to see any issues, although I don't think so. Just to be sure, let's empty this before using it. Okay, and then am I sending the correct character? So we're going through all the sessions. Then we're checking if it's active. Are we setting this flag? Let's make sure that I'm setting that flag. Where is it? Game session, active. Oops, we don't have any active. maybe this is on the Linux side of the... It's not in here, so where am I setting this to true? Could it be here? Okay, so the session is active, so this is fine. We do have the character. We don't want to send this to the same, this packet to the same player. Like, so the player that's entering the world, we don't want to send this packet to that player. And then we're setting this to 0 just in case. I don't think I need this, but just to be sure. And then I guess I'll have to double check this encoder. Um, okay, what do we got? Um, encrypt. So everything seems to be fine. We do have the ID, don't we? Yes, we do. Although we could, you know what? Since we know this break things, we can add a new assertion to make sure that we are indeed using an ID. So this all seems to be fine. I guess I'll have to double check um, with the L2J project. And I guess I can add a log message saying sending char info to, and then s username dot puff. All right, let's see, what do we get? All right. Okay. So this is test, if I remember correctly. There we go. Uh, this is the one that I'm interested in. All right. So we got that one in the game. Let's see this one. And then I don't, hmm. I don't see, oh, there we go. Sending char info to test. So that's correct, but why? You have failed to create a clan. What the fuck? Okay, so we're... Hmm. This is indeed interesting. It shouldn't be... What am I doing wrong? Like, it's not that complicated. At least I can restart. That's good, I guess. So what am I doing wrong? Mm, let's double check the code for these sockets. So this chunk gets executed when we can send data to the connection. But then again, are we getting this message? Writing chunk of response, which is, yes, that one. It's getting a bit hard to read this thing. Oh my goodness, I was reading the login server. Alright, sending char info to test, writing chunk of response, writing our, okay, so at least we know that we are indeed sending the second response. But then what's the issue? I don't think the packet is malformed. I guess I can double check. Char info, what is it called? Char info? Yes. So we don't care about this, or do we? No. Alright, let's see. Where am I messing things up? Response. Char info. 003, that's fine. X, Y, and Z, heading, then the ID, then what else? The name of the character. Am I sending this correctly? Yes. Then what else? The race, the sex, and the class. That's fine. 0. Head. R, L, gloves, chest, legs, feet, back, and hair. The PvP flag, karma, text speed. PvP flag and the karma again for some reason. Run speed, walk speed, swim. Okay. Fly, run, walk, run, and walk. And then the multiplier for the movement speed, the attack speed, collision radius, and the height. Hairstyle, hair color, face ID, the title, the clan ID, and the crest, ally, crest, and then some 0. Then sitting, running, in combat, like that. Invisible, mount type, private store, size of the cubics, party members, normal, uh, recommendations have, unknown, mounted, U8, clan crest, symbol, aura, fishing, some position, X, Y, and Z, and finally the name of the color of the name. So this all seems to be fine. So I think the packet seems to be fine. Maybe it's on the when we encrypt the second packet, or sorry, the char info packet, everything seems to go off. So let's double check this session. Maybe I'm missing something in here. We got the session and the packet, which is correct. Packet size. So everything seems to be fine. So hmm, where's the issue? So what's the order of this? Where, dude, this is getting, it's not even that much info and I'm getting a hard time. I'm having a hard time reading this. Where is the, okay, so at least we know this game server. There we go. No, that's not it. Dude, what was the message that I was sending when sending char info? Where is sending char info? This is getting ridiculous. There we go. Sending char info to test. Writing chunk of response. So I'm assuming this is the enter world. Yes, this has to be enter world. Then we receive a new request. Writing chunk of response. Huh. How can I debug this more efficiently? Also, I'm not sure where is this packet being used. Um, I think I can do new. There we go. PC noun list, and then what is this? Okay. And what are enter world? What are you doing in here? Mm-hmm. Active char, spawn me. Active char. What's that supposed to be? Active char. What is that? L2 PC instance. L2 PC instance. Spawn me. Of course, I have to check the parent class. What's the parent class? Playable instance. Right, down the rabbit hole. Spawn me. Nope. L2 character. Spawn me. Nope. L2 object. Yay! Object-oriented programming. Hey, there we go. Alright, so what do we got? Init the position of a L2 object and add it to the world as a visible object. Actions. Set. Sounds good. Okay. Alright. Oh my goodness. Okay. So on spawn. Oh my. Oh. L2 character. On spawn. Nope. On spawn. Nope. Are you kidding me, bro? So, okay. Well, seems like we don't do anything in here. Alright. Well, that was useful. Alright. Enter world. Let's keep on going here. Uh, Set name, set protection, spawn me. Although this is using. Alright, maybe here. No, seems like. That's pretty much the same. Send packet. User info. Why? Friend list. Okay, this is all fine, but on enter, on player enter. Hmm. So why is this packet being sent? What do we got in here? User info. User info. All right. Uh, we don't care about that yet. So let's see what do we do when we send this. Seems like not much. I gotta find the moment where the broadcast occurs. Or I could cheat and check on the previous state of my code because that was working previously. Uh, Now, I guess I'm gonna keep on going here. PC known list. Add known object. Spawn item. Alright. Char info. I'm pretty sure this is the only packet that I have to send. Why do I have two links? Oh, maybe one is in here and the other one is in here. I don't know. That's weird. You know, I'm gonna do the following. I want to make sure that this is indeed the packet that I have to send. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is um, I'm not gonna send anything in here, and instead what I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna go ahead and copy this one. That's the only one that I care. And I'm gonna say where is the walk fold? Protocol show create select on move. There we go. Or validate. Uh, I guess it doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna say instead of sending the move response, I'm gonna check for this session. I'm gonna make sure that this is ID 1. If it is, we're gonna be sending this one, but if it's not, I'm gonna be sending this one. And I guess I have to check. Yes, I need to get the character from the second session, so this is gonna be state sessions. I guess this is one, and then the character, and then on the games, new connection. Um, okay, yeah, so this is where I'm getting a new session. Um, this I'm suspicious about. You know what? Um, Log new session with ID is being created. I want to make sure that all the IDs are being unique. We can share those, so there we go. And then let's go back to here. So hang on a second. ID is never gonna be one. We can simplify this a bit. We can say state sessions is equal to the first one. So for the first player, we're gonna send the char info, and then for the rest of the sessions, everything will work as expected. So I gotta think about this. So we're gonna be sending the response, yes, this is fine. And I have to send the second session, the character. So this seems to be fine. Okay, let's cancel this and this one, build. Okay, so hopefully the first session won't be able to walk, but we should be able to see this one when we walk. But that's not the case. Hmm, this is interesting. What about those IDs? So, session with ID 87. Well, at least the IDs are unique, but still, we're not seeing the player. Why not? Oh, All right, there we go. So at least, does that count as a win? I mean, it's there, so all right. Um, huh. So it seems like the packet is almost correct. So why is the why is it why is it sitting? That shouldn't be the case. Sitting 0. This leads me to believe that I might be sending something wrong. Like this is chart info. Yeah, this is the one. Where are those flags? Oh, here we go. Uh, oh, I'm doing it backwards. So, okay, this is fucking weird. So, if it's sitting, I have to send. All right, one. All right, I'm gonna copy this because this is gonna be confusing. Running. Okay, this makes sense. Combat. Yeah. All right. So this is the only one that it's a bit confusing, to say the least. All right. So let's go back and let's go back on this one too. Let's rebuild. The only thing that I wanna make sure that the player is no longer sitting. Okay. First one and the second one. Okay, so this one can't move, but this one can. Then there we go. Okay, so now it's standing in the same position as I am, so this is fine. Um, alright. Let's see then why. Alright, so at least we know that's the only packet that I have to send in order to see other players. That's good. Now we have to investigate why the second packet, why having a second packet to send is causing issues. And how can I do this? It's weird because this is so when we can write, meaning when we can send data to the client, we run this code. We send the first packet. Yes, and then we zero that out. And then we try to send the second packet, and this all seems to be fine. Like, it's not that complicated. The thing is, why um what if I try to send this packet? Okay, what if I do this? I'm gonna comment this out, toggle. I'm gonna send this packet, but I'm also going to send, so I'm gonna say if this is the first session, I'm gonna send this to the second response, and then I'm gonna encrypt this. And then that's gonna be session response 2, there we go. And do we wanna zero this thing out first? No. Alright. So let's close this up, build again. Alright. So now we should be able to move with both clients. And hopefully I'm gonna see the second player. Okay, so this one is fine. But then this one isn't. Like, oh, there we go. Alright. So then I'm up. Hmm. Not gonna lie, I'm confused as fuck. Like, why didn't the first implementation worked out of the box? Like, we were not doing something that different, you know? Maybe the broadcast was a bit off. Like, maybe. I guess I'm a bit relieved that I can use the second packet approach. Like, I wasn't sure about that, but seems to be fine. Alright, and now in here we can't see anything. Alright, let's go. So, let's go ahead and see if we can see both players on each. No, why did I click on that? If any of you guys know how to exit from this screen without having to click like crazy, please do let me know. There we go. Okay, so now let's see if we can use this, but for all the players. So toggle, and then for each, I'm gonna say struct game session that is. Yes, game session. And then other or what's a good name for referring to other sessions? I guess other session. And then state sessions. Okay. So if this is not active, continue. And then I guess I can just go ahead and do this, right? Like other session. And then I want to send the character that's moving right now. So that's gonna be session character, like so. And then we should be able to encrypt this just like this. Yes, this should. And do I want to check? L- let's leave it. Yeah, let's try this one. Okay, so go through all the sessions, make sure it is active. If it's not, continue. We may want to check that it's in the game. Okay, and then encode the character that's moving into the second response of this session, and then encrypt that. Mm-hmm. And hopefully that should work, right? Okay. Can I move? Okay. I can, and I'm getting that packet. Let's see with this. Did I? Why did it hang? Okay, let's go back, try again. God damn it. Which one? Crap. Of course I guessed wrong. I'm gonna restart this. And you know what? I guess I wanna check other session character. So if it doesn't have a character, continue, and if the character is equal to the session character, then continue. Sounds good. Build. Okay. One more time. Come on. What? Okay. There we go. Yeah, and now everything gets messed up. Yeah. Hmm. That is indeed weird. Now I can't restart. Come on. I guess I'm not gonna be able to restart. What if I don't use... What if I don't use the second response? Let's check that one. Let's see. Okay, I can move. Not with this one though. And now this one gets messed up. Could it be that somehow I'm sharing buffers without me knowing about that? Or, oh, I think I know what's the issue. Do I know? So I think, or at least this is a potential problem. Um, but we're queuing this up without checking if this is already sent. Do you know what I mean? So if it's in the middle of sending this response, then we overwrite the buffer and everything gets messed up. So that's one potential issue, but I'm not sure that's the entire issue. I guess I can, uh, I guess I can quickly check by saying, uh, I guess I can say if the packet size of other session, if it's bigger than 0, then continue. We don't want to do anything. So if it's being used, don't do anything. But if it's not, go ahead and use it. Let's see if that's the issue. Mm-hmm. All right. Okay, so I can move. I can move with this one as well. And that's the fail message. And for some reason I'm getting this as well. Okay. Well, still, that's what the fuck. That's a nice catch, even though it didn't solve the problem. Um, yeah, we don't have anything in here. Well, I guess I'm gonna call it a day for now. We did some good progress. At least now we can see the players. I just need to sort this out. But yeah, nonetheless, it is good progress. All right. Let's go ahead and see what maybe we can add this into the notes. So we can now see other players. Uh, not quite, but seems like the packet was correct, but for some reason using the second response buffer is causing issues. Are we sharing buffers somehow? Question mark. All right, guys. It's not that. I mean, we didn't make that much progress, but at least it is something. Um, but yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry that I couldn't make it this past week. Uh, so to compensate, I'm gonna be uploading 2 videos this week. So wait for the second one. And as I always say, if you wanna support me on what I do, you can do so on the um, what is it called? The coffee, the yeah, the coffee page. And you can access to the coffee page on the link that I'm gonna be leaving down in the video description. In the meantime, take good care, guys. All right.